Hey everyone, today we're making Yum Mama or Spicy Mama Noodles Salad. It's basically instant noodles hit with the classic Thai flavors of sweet, sour and spicy that makes me crave for it pretty often, and it just might be my favorite street food whenever I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. It's so easy to whip up too, so let's go! The flavor base of this salad is all in the dressing. You really just need 4 items for this dressing. Fish sauce, sugar, some spicy chili. I'm using Thai bird's eye chilies or chili padi, and this stuff is spicy. And some lime juice. A couple of quick tips with juicing limes or lemons. Before cutting it open, roll it on a hard surface to loosen up the insides. This is going to make juicing it much easier. I was super excited to use this lime squeezy juicer thing for the first time. Why did I not get this earlier? Another tip is that you can freeze your limes and lemons, and when you're ready to use it, let it thaw, and I find the inside somehow become loose in the freezing process. Don't know what kind of science that is, but it juices so much easier after that too. Okay, let's make our dressing. I'm using a mortar and pestle here, but use a food processor if you don't have this. It's not that big a deal. It's much better though. For my one portion of noodle salad, I used 2 tablespoons of lime juice, just 1 Thai bird's eye chili, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 clove of garlic. And just mash them all up together. Beat the out of them. Get some mango out, it's good for you. We're going to get them all nice and mashed up together. Get all of those flavors combining with each other in that mortar and pestle. Try the salad dressing at this point and see how you like it. This might differ by preference. I'm adding half a tablespoon more of lime juice to mine because mine is just not that tart or sour. Now on to the noodles. I'm using the quintessentially Thai Mama brand instant noodles, but you can pretty much use whatever instant noodles you have on hand, you know, the curly whirly ones. I'm also going to be using one of these seasoning packets later, but it's completely optional, okay? Next is our bits and bobs. In Bangkok, usually they toss in sausages, fish cakes, chicken feet, yep. But since you're making this yourself, add in whatever you want. I'm gonna be using some prawns today. I'm going to show you my trick to deveining prawns. Not only does it make prawn prep easy, but kind of fun and satisfying. Grab a fork and with the shell still on, count the second shell compartment from the back. Poke your fork through and gently, very gently wiggle it out, and the vein will come out like this. Then just pull it out. Super gross, but oh my god, so satisfying. You want to see it one more time, right? I know you do. 1, 2, stick a fork through, gently wiggle it out, and oh yeah, look at that, so gross. Ugh. Oh yeah, and then I also have this random fish ball that I just cut in half. Since we're all about that veggie healthy lifestyle, I have to add in some cherry tomatoes, enoki mushrooms, and parsley to the dish as well. And we're ready to cook. Get a pot of water to a rolling boil. And now we just add the noodles in. do not overcook the noodles, okay? That's just no. We want al dente. Good for your noodles' self-esteem. 2 minutes is enough. You just want a bit of bite to your noodles. I'm also going to be adding in my mushrooms and tomatoes at this point. And once that's done, we toss it in a bowl. Next, we cook the seafood. Can you save a couple of steps and cook all of this together with the noodles? Of course you can, is what I usually do anyway, but I need shots for this video, so. Same thing, let it cook, and once it's cooked, toss it in the same bowl with all of the noodles and stuff. I'm going to tear up some fresh parsley and add it to the bowl at this point. And now we're ready for some magic. Add the watered sauce into the bowl and just mix all of that up with the noodles. Once that's all nice and mixed up, it's basically done. You can give it a nice little taste. I have a final ingredient, that seasoning sauce packet from the Mama Noodles. Now listen, this is optional, okay? You don't have to add this in, but I like to add it in because it just adds a hit of MSG. After all of that sexy tossing, you're done. You can plate this after, but you know what? I'm just going to eat it straight out of the bowl. It just tastes better this way. Takes me back to the streets of Bangkok. But yeah, fine. I'm gonna be doing some fancy plating for the video B-roll. I think I'm getting better at this fancy plating stuff. And there you have it. Yum Mama is super easy to make and a definite level up to your usual boring instant noodles. Make sure you give this a go and bye!